Today I am on a road trip to Bondhusvatnet, and we're gonna take a 40-minute hike up to a lake, very beautiful, and as you can see behind me, we started our tour up to the Bondhusvatnet. The rain stopped, so the day seems to be perfect. There's a nice lighting in the mountain tops. I have my camera with me. Hopefully I get some nice photos. And yeah, I have my friend with me here, G, and his family. They are further up. So it's going to be a nice day. Look at this. Peaceful, beautiful, and the sound of the waterfall, or the creek, or whatever you call it. It's so peaceful to listen to the sound of the creek going down. Look at this. I so want to jump in, but it's not allowed. Beautiful area. The nice thing about this hike is that there is gravel all the way up to the water or to the lake. And you can see the glacier up there. Maybe we'll take a hike up there as well. It's a little bit further than the main destination, that is the lake. As you can see here, the waterfall runs along the trail, and this is drinking water as well. The lake that we're coming to is drinking water, so no swimming and stuff like that. But some tourists, they don't mind the rules and they jump up and swim. And here is wifey of Mr. G. The kids are further up. They don't want to hang with the grown-ups. So it's beautiful here. And I think actually we are quite lucky with the weather. A little windy, 16 to 18 degrees, and top notch. Look at this. This is Norwegian nature. Look at this. Insane. For those of you interested, I'm filming with the DJI Action 4 and I'm using the DJI Mic 2 for this video. It's a little windy today, so with the dead cat on, some adjustments in the leveling on the Osmo 4, hopefully the sound will be okay. Just had a nice talk with a tourist couple from France. I saw he had a Sony camera, so I just had to engage a talk with him. Look at that. It's time to get up my camera. The mist or the fog up in the mountain and the light hits down. Perfect conditions for some nice photography. And we also had a waterfall over there. You see the waterfall there, and up to there. I think I'm gonna get some nice photos. I have my Sony A7 III, my Sony A7iii 1.8, and my Sigma art lens 24-70 lens. I also have an ND filter with me if it's necessary. But this is beautiful. And you see the glacier up there. Amazing place, a typical Instagram spot. If you search for Bondhusvatnet, I can put the text below here, so you can search it. This boat over there is a typical Instagram photo with the beautiful background here. As I said earlier, you have the glacier up there, and you also have a waterfall over there, and we're going to take a hike by the side here all the way over to that side and see if we can get some nice photos and some nice video clips. This is the Sigma, as I said, 24-70. I haven't taken a lot of photos with it. Not been feeling it lately, so I haven't been out making videos or taking photos. I had some photo shoots from time to time. That's fun, always. But I haven't bothered to go out and do it by myself. YouTube is hard, and if you don't get a lot of response, you kind of lose a little bit of motivation. But today I'm making a video. I hope when I come home that I see that it's good enough to upload. That's the world of making videos. So now I'm gonna go up some stairs and then see if we can catch some nice shots. Hey, hey. Look at this. Wow. Listen to that power. Coming from up there. Coming out there. Wow. I really like the color of the lake. And there we have the last two coming. She likes to dance.